Join me as I put this super cool 8-inch 2-in-1 mini laptop to the test for a whole day of school and work. Let's see if it can keep up. Today, we're diving into an incredible 2-in-1 mini laptop that's designed to make your school and work life easier and more efficient. Many students and professionals struggle with bulky laptops that are hard to carry around, making it challenging to stay productive while on the move. I mean, think about it, you're always on the go, and the last thing you want is a heavy laptop weighing you down. This can be especially frustrating when you have back-to-back classes or meetings. You're constantly juggling between your bag, your laptop, and trying to find a spot to sit and work. The struggle is real, and it's something we've all experienced at some point. Whether you're a student trying to take notes during lectures or a professional trying to meet deadlines on the go, you need a device that can keep up with your lifestyle. A device that's not only portable but also powerful enough to handle all your tasks. The bulkiness of traditional laptops can also limit your flexibility. You're often forced to choose between carrying a laptop and having any extra space in your bag for other essentials. It's a trade-off that can be really inconvenient. So, what if there was a solution that could give you the power of a laptop in a super portable package? We'll explore the features of this mini laptop, including its design, performance, battery life, and how it compares to traditional laptops in terms of functionality. This little device is packed with some impressive specs, starting with its sleek and lightweight design. It's literally small enough to fit in one hand, making it super easy to carry around in your bag or even in your pocket. The performance is also noteworthy, thanks to its efficient processor and ample RAM, which allow for smooth multitasking. Whether you're browsing the web, checking emails, or working on documents, this mini laptop handles it all with ease. And when it comes to battery life, it's designed to last you a full day of use, so you don't have to worry about running out of juice. In terms of functionality, this 2-in-1 mini laptop is incredibly versatile. It seamlessly switches between laptop and tablet mode, giving you the flexibility to use it however you prefer. The touchscreen is super responsive, and the keyboard is surprisingly comfortable to type on, considering its size. The moment of truth comes when we test the laptop's performance in real-world scenarios. Watch as it seamlessly switches from laptop to tablet mode. I was really curious to see how it would handle a full day of use, so I put it through its paces. From typing up notes during a mock lecture to switching to tablet mode and sketching out some ideas, it performed flawlessly. Using it for work was just as impressive. I was able to respond to emails, edit documents, and even jump into a video call without any issues. The transition between modes was smooth, and the device handled everything I threw at it. One of the things that really stood out to me was how convenient it was to use in different environments. Whether I was working from a coffee shop or taking notes in class, this mini laptop was able to keep up with my needs. The display might be small, but it's crisp and clear, making it perfect for reading and working on the go. Plus, the device is really quiet and doesn't heat up, which is a big plus. In summary, this 8-inch 2-in-1 mini laptop offers an innovative solution for those needing portability without sacrificing performance. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos for more tech insights. Mini laptop 8 inches 2-in-1, laptop computer Windows 11, Intel N100, 12GB RAM 1TB SSD, touchscreen HD, backlit keyboard, Wi-Fi 6, USB-C, lightweight portable PC for work/kids/school. Brand KOOTIGERS. Model name P8. Screen size 8 inches. Color silver. Hard disk size 1 TB. CPU model Intel N100. RAM memory installed size 12 GB. Operating system Windows 11 Pro. Special feature support Stylus. Graphics card description integrated. Ultra-portable 8-inch laptop, weighing just 1.72 pounds with a compact design. This compact mini laptop fits effortlessly in backpacks, purses, or even large pockets, making it perfect for travel, students, and professionals on the move. White check mark emoji, full Windows 11 Tense OS, run desktop applications like Microsoft Office, Zoom, and browser smoothly, no compromises like with tablets or Chromebooks. Powered by the Intel N100 processor, with 12GB LPDDR5 memory and M.2 SSD storage with 4 to 6 hours of battery life for all-day productivity, streaming, or light gaming. White check mark emoji, rotatable touchscreen and stylus support, use as a laptop or tablet with the 360 degrees hinge, includes G-sensor for auto rotation and supports handwriting/drawing. Crisp 1280x800 IPS display with wide viewing angles plus a tactile keyboard for comfortable typing despite the small size. White check mark emoji, 2-in-1 design. Adapt to any scenario. The 2-in-1 convertible design allows you to use it as a traditional laptop or rotate it into tablet mode, making it perfect for presentations, entertainment, and various other scenarios, easily meeting your diverse needs. The rugged metal casing survives drops better than plastic competitors, while the 8-inch touchscreen protects eyes with anti-glare coating. White check mark emoji, durable and travel-ready, reinforced metal frame withstands daily commutes, and the fanless design ensures silent operation. Reliable after-sales support. We provide permanent after-sales service, which is one of the key reasons our loyal customers continue choosing our products. Color silver. Hard drive size 1 TB. Operating system Windows 11 Pro. Other special features of the product: support Stylus. Graphics description integrated. Graphics coprocessor 1. Hard disk description SSD. Item weight 0.78 kilograms. Video processor Intel. Specific uses for product: business, student, creativity, portability. Form factor convertible. Hard disk interface solid state. Item dimensions: LXWX thickness 12 x 9.8 inches wide x 7.8 th. The KOOTIGERS P8 8-inch 2-in-1 mini laptop is a highly portable and versatile computing device, designed to cater to the needs of students, professionals, and anyone who values practicality and mobility. With a sleek and lightweight design weighing just 1.72 pounds and compact dimensions of 198 millimeters, this mini laptop can effortlessly fit into backpacks, purses, or even large pockets, making it an ideal companion for travel or daily commutes. It boasts a vibrant 8-inch HD touchscreen display with a resolution of 1280 by 800, offering wide viewing angles and a comfortable interaction experience, complemented by the inclusion of a tactile backlit keyboard that ensures proficient typing despite its petite size. Powered by the efficient Intel N100 processor with 4 cores and a clock speed of up to 3.4 GHz, paired with an impressive 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and a substantial 1 TB SSD, the P8 runs Windows 11 Pro smoothly, allowing users to execute traditional desktop applications like Microsoft Office, Zoom, and various web browsers without compromising performance, a common drawback associated with tablets and Chromebooks. The innovative 360° hinge enables seamless transitions between laptop and tablet modes, perfect for presentations or entertainment on the go, while the G sensor for auto rotation and stylus support adds an extra layer of functionality for handwriting and drawing. The rugged metal casing ensures durability, fitting neatly in a competitive landscape by outperforming plastic counterparts and resistance to daily wear and tear. Additionally, the fanless design guarantees silent operation, perfect for quiet working environments. Equipped with Wi-Fi 6 for fast and reliable connectivity, the KOOTIGERS P8 prioritizes user satisfaction through reliable after-sales support, fostering a sense of trust and loyalty among its customers. With a battery life of about 4 to 6 hours, it promises all-day productivity, making it a compelling choice for anyone in need of a lightweight, dependable, and stylish portable computer that adapts to various scenarios with ease.